everybody, it's Neil, and I have some open ear headphones here, and I guess this is going to require a little bit of trust on your part of me because you're not going to be able to hear what I hear because um, it'll be on my ears. Okay, so these are little headphones that you can wear, and they are open ear headphones. So it's good. Like that's kind of, I guess, the thing now, so because you want to be able to hear what's going on around you. Like some of the AirPods have that transparency mode and whatnot. So this one here has its own open ear version. So these ones here, it's going to charge, I guess, USB to USB-C. We have a manual here, which is going to give us some of the tapping abilities for it. What is this? This is a little case for it, so we can put it in a case. And then here is the item, and I think that's it. That's everything. Okay. So I'll put that back there. So here we go. So let's check this out together. Don't know if it's going to come charged or not, but we will see. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. These are them. They kind of magnet in there when they're going in there. And it has a little plastic cover on it right now. So I guess, I don't know if it's going to be charged or not because it was not making contact. So here we go. I took off the little stickers. Let's see now if it makes contact, what happens. Okay, so now it's making contact and you can see it's lighting up. So I guess the case must have some battery in there as well. But okay, but let's go ahead and just try to pair these things up to my iPad and see how we do. So to Bluetooth pair, it says take the earphones out of the case. So let me do that as we speak. Oh, it says powered on pairing is what it said in my ear. So now I'm going to go to settings, Bluetooth, and I'm going to say, I don't know what, I'm going to guess it's called this one here. I'll see in a second, but let me see. So this is right. So there's that. And here's that. Is this it? Okay, let me go into my YouTube, I guess. See if something will play. Whoa. Okay. This is cool. So it is coming out of these here, and I can still hear myself because it's not inside my ear. It's not jamming in there. So these are cool. So I can totally hear what's going on out there, and I hear the music, and it's a really good quality. Not the music. It's actually a YouTube video. It's not music. But let's see what these buttons are now and see what these are here. I'll show you guys what the different things are here. This is kind of the manual. So basically explains how you wear it. And I guess I kind of wore it the right way. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, like double tapping makes it stop and stuff. That's what it says. Double tap left or right to play or pause. Tap the 3 times to go to the next track. Oh, it did. It went to the next YouTube video. And then single tap for volume up. Oh, that one didn't do anything. Oh. Single tap. Oh, the right for the. Oh, I think I held it down so it turned power off. Hold press to turn power off. Hold press to turn power on. Okay. And that's pretty cool. So it has all these different things here. That's basically everything you need to know right there. All the different settings and then different colors of the lights of the charging case, which I'm colorblind, so I'm not going to be able to tell. But it'll automatically power off and on when you take it out of the case. So there we go. So let's see if I push it. Yeah, I can see the things are it was making my YouTube video, whoever this is, do stuff. I think I froze it up now. I pushed too many times. But older iPad. But that's pretty cool. So these are good. They sound really good, and it's called Tough On. Tough On, and that's what it said was the Bluetooth connection name too. So these are cool. I like these, and it's nice, convenient little case and stuff like that. And they are nice so you can hear things that are going on around you. So I like these. These are good. Thumbs up.